Oh, yeah. Lift your hands wherever you are and declare that Jesus is enough. Yeah. Thank you, Lord. I've climbed the mountains, crossed the sea. I've found no other love like this. You are the treasure that I have. In you I'm truly satisfied. Jesus, you're